How to set a linked device as the primary device on WhatsApp. Important update. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more clear and accurate WhatsApp tutorials. Many people are asking how to set a linked device as the primary device on WhatsApp, especially after using WhatsApp Web or multi-device mode. So let me clarify this clearly and honestly. As of now, WhatsApp does not allow you to change or set a linked device as the primary device. Your main phone number and mobile device always remain the primary device. Linked devices, like WhatsApp Web, desktop, or secondary phones, are only companions. Here's how it actually works. First, WhatsApp requires one main phone to activate your account using your phone number. This phone controls your account, security, backups, and verification. Second, when you link another device, such as a computer or tablet, it becomes a linked device, not a primary one. These linked devices can send and receive messages, but they depend on the main phone. Third, there is currently no setting inside WhatsApp to promote or switch a linked device to primary. If you see videos claiming this, they are either outdated or incorrect. So what can you do if you want another phone to act as your main device? The only official option is to log out from all linked devices, then log in to WhatsApp on the new phone using your number. Once you verify the number on the new phone, that phone becomes the new primary device automatically. Pro tip: always back up your chats first, then restore them on the new phone during setup to avoid data loss. To summarize, you cannot manually set a linked device as primary. The phone where your number is verified is always the primary device. If this cleared your confusion, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a guide on safely switching WhatsApp to a new phone.